Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, as you might be able to see by the muddiness, we went out this weekend and enjoyed some time out together in the machine, and everything worked great. This video is I put the winch on the front here, which is also in a video. Go check out my Razor playlist on my channel if you'd like to watch a bunch of different videos on this and things I've done to it, as well as things I'm going to be doing to it as well. I got several more coming out. But during that winch video, I talked about next time I took it out, I was going to pull the winch out and kind of show you how I feel you need to do it. When we went out, we almost got stuck a couple times, and I didn't end up using my winch, but if I would have had to, I wouldn't have wanted to use it right off the bat the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and kind of show you how I'm going to re-reel in my winch so we won't get any knots, because if you use them the way they are and just pull them out a little ways and bring them back in, you can get knots in the system. I don't know how to explain that, but it is, from what I hear, what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to hook it to my truck up there. I don't know how far up it'll go, and then I'm going to pull it up this little hill here and probably use the brakes a little bit to make sure that it's good and taut, but not too tight. Now I filled it all the way out, so I want to put a couple of winds on it before I start pulling. Kind of switching gears on the way I'm doing this here. Couple things. This does not want to hook on here very well. It's not snapping closed here. This piece is too big. Right now, honestly, I shouldn't be doing what I'm doing, but I'm going to live a little bit dangerously. The next thing, I don't know if this is something, I'm sure somebody's tried it before already, but I'm going to take this off. And we're going to put this on here, so if there is a problem, hopefully the weight will hold it down. We shall see. At the very least, this will kind of put a little bit of weight on the front of that machine where it needs it. So I'm going to take off this cotter pin, pull this out, and put this through there. And there you go. It is on the line now, so as I pull on things, if anything snaps or falls off of there, hopefully the weight of that should take care of what's going to be flying back at me. This is where I say, if you do anything I do and you hurt yourself, I am not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. So that seemed to work pretty good. I kind of watched that, and if it dropped down too much, I kind of put a little bit more pressure on the brakes, and if I kind of felt something that felt like it was lagging a little bit too hard, I let off a little bit and just kind of kept that where I wanted it, just kind of taut. But you don't want to be really reefing on it so it's too tight, but you also want it fairly snug so that as it's winding up, you don't get any binds in the winch here. So that seems to have worked. I'm good with it. We'll see down the road. If I have any problems with it, I'll let you know. But there's a couple of tips and tricks and showing you what I'm doing as far as how I brought it in and wound it up. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.